Yes, and today is a new beginning. I say, hey, one day I look back into my life and realize nothing was done. But hey, I always got time to do it again. Hey, we're gonna get it done tonight. Yes, tonight's the night to get it done. Let's get it done. Yes, go for what we wanted the whole time. Yes, tonight, just tonight we gonna get it done. Yes, today is the day we're gonna take this forward and see what can come from it. Yes, today is the day we're gonna stand up high and say yeah. Yes, today is the day we're gonna sit down low and get it done. Yes, today, just today the mission will be complete. Yes, because we can and we would. Till the end we will try our best to see what we can become. And hey, if they don't like it, never mind, the party must go on. Yes, the Phantom Opera, I am the Phantom Opera, Death Master. Yes, black I come and a black I live. I come with no name and I live the same guy. Hey, who I become next, none of your business. Yes, none of your business. You know why? Cause I come the same guy and I live the same. Who loses? Yeah, you all strive for it and I get it done. Yes, I was high up there. I thought maybe somebody's going to listen. But hey, if they don't like it, when many challenges comes ahead, I'll be doing my thing. Yes, doing my thing every day till one day I realize what am I doing this for. So I say let's do it for fame. Yes, let's do it again. Yes, for what I ask is do it for the luck. Yeah, hell yeah, it's gonna get down one way or another. Oh, you gonna like it now? Hey, baby, sit back and let me play the tune. Yeah, so you gonna like hip hop now? Is it a fashion frantic? I'm so tired of it. Where do I go? Hey, listen a little bit closer. This is not about music. Hey, listen a little bit closer. Who's the man behind it? And hey, listen a bit closer. Did you understand what he said? And hey, look a little bit closer. Why did it all end up this way? But hey, look a little bit closer. I'm right here staring in your face. Tell me what now you wanna do. Hey, let's go do that. Hey, tell me you wanna rap. Hey, that's how we get down and we do it till the end of time. But hey, if you go to any other place, then tell me. And why you looking at me like you know nothing? Nothing, just sit back and let me play you a tune. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yes, I come back into the notion and I wonder why you're sitting there just looking at me. So am I supposed to say something? Hey, I probably make a show. Hey, why not if the people got nothing to lose? Hey, it's all to me. Why not I just do it for myself then? Yeah, why not I just do it for myself then? Fuck you, get the hell away from me. Hell yeah, I'll be doing till the end because I like so. And I do so just to love it, and I will listen to every single of it if even no one does. Hell yeah, it was done. I had such a good time making it all. And hell yeah, they enjoy saying that I was some kind of celebrity. But hell yeah, I still live to the life that I can just be one guy in this world. It doesn't matter what status I am, I can be a thug again. Yes, I can just be a thug and just go on with life not knowing anything. Yes, I know do the best, just I always do the best. And hell yeah, I can survive day, I can steal, I can do drugs. Hell yeah, I can ship shipments overseas. Hell yeah, I can steal some more. Hey, whatever you want. But if you think that it's not gonna change me, well listen to my Fascia. I guess you gotta say something's gotta be changed. Hey, probably me. Yes. One more chance, one more round. Never ever would the guy have it. Yeah, but maybe I do. Just say, where do we go now? Where do we go from here? I need to know now.